Hey guys, so in this video, I will be showing you how to spawn the sea beasts in Sailor Piece. There are currently two sea beasts, Kraken and Sea Serpent. To spawn these, first go to Punch Island. Now, when you reach Punch Island, you have to go near the portal where you came from and go towards the sea. The Kraken and Dragon Goddess spawn near the portal. To spawn them, just go like 600 studs away from the island and roam around. Now the time it takes to spawn a sea beast can take anywhere around 5 minutes or 1 hour. The more bounty you have means the faster your chances are to spawn a sea beast. Before I continue, I want to talk about this week's giveaway. I will be giving away 2 sets of any item in the shop to one of you guys. To participate, you just have to be subscribed, like the video and comment down below your favorite set along with your username and why do you want that set. I will select 2 lucky winners in 2 days, so be ready and stay subscribed. Okay, so after around 10 minutes of strolling, I finally got Sea Serpent to spawn. And oh my god, it has insane HP. So I probably advised you to have friends with you to help defeat the sea beasts. Now let me defeat it. So, after defeating it, I got really okayish rewards. So you also do need a strong luck build. What other videos about the new update do you all want? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.